Okay, now after the ledger creation, which we have done in the last video, we are going to create the posting transaction, GL posting over here right now. For example, how we can post the transaction in SAP for general ledger transaction. What we can do, there is a T code that is called FB50. So under FB50, we can post the GL transaction. Just I can type the T code and press enter. Document date will be there, but always before posting the transaction, you just need to do one thing. You have to go to OB57. So when you go to OB57, just click on position and type your user ID, whichever you are using, HANA 14, and then click on continue. And now what you can do that, you have to just enter your tolerance group. So I have entered my tolerance group is KAU2, and then I'll save it. Now, what I can do, FB50, I'll just go to FB50 and see, this is the company I have created for 2025. So I just write the last date of the particular year, 31st March 2026, because for this year we have not created the company. So that is the reason I'm just entering the last date of the year. And the GL account, what we can do, we can just click on the search button and click on continue. So we need to change the company code over here because we are working for KAU2. And just I can click on continue. And now you can see, I can select, suppose for example, advertisement account debit. It will be debit. And suppose I have selected 500 or yeah, 5,000. And then we can select over here. Okay, sorry. See, again and again, the KAUS company code is coming. Why? Because we have not changed it. So first of all, what I'll do, click on the company code and just type over here KAU2. So when I write KAU2, continue, and now I'll just keep the date over here as well. And we can just click on the continue button and I can select the advertisement. Now you can see ledger will be there for KAU2 only for my company code. So I'll just select the bank as well, SBI Bank. Debit side will be there and credit side will be there. And I can just write the value, suppose 12,000 rupees, 12,000 rupees. Enter. So it is asking, like it is a warning message because we are using the previous year. So always this pop-up will be there whenever you will post the transaction. So whenever you are getting the warning message, just enter one more time. See, now that everything is okay and you can save the transaction. Suppose before posting the transaction, if you want to simulate, so just click on the simulate. Under the simulate, we can see which line item is in debit side and which line item is in credit side. So 40 stand for debit and 50 stand for credit. So it is advertisement account debit to bank account. And then we can click on the save button. So this one we have done the posting and the later on what we can do that just slash n. Suppose I want to see the ledger balance display, okay, how much we have expended for the advertisement ledger. So I just go for the FA, the GLB. Why I have entered the slash n? Because if I write only the T code over here, FAGLB03, it will not work. Why? Because T code will work only on the home screen. So slash n is a T code to go to on home screen that is called SAP ET access screen. And now if you want to write the T code FAGLB03, enter and see the account number you want to display the ledger balance for the advertisement. So just select the advertisement account and click on continue. So you can see company code will be there, account number will be there, fiscal year will be there, and then click on the execute button. So when you click on the execute button, you can see 12,000 rupees expenses will be there for the advertisement. So when you double click on it, so you will get a line item report as well, 12,000 rupees. Suppose separately, if I want to display this report, then that is called GL line item report as well. Suppose you can do one thing, FBL1N, sorry, 3N, FBL 3N. So why I have entered 3N? Because 3N is for the GL line item display. So we need to just select the respective ledger. So our respective ledger is our advertisement. So we can just click on the search button or we can press on F4 button. So just advertisement, company code, all item, and we can click on the execute. So you can see this one, you will get the ledger details. Okay. Suppose 2005 document number is there, and now only the debit side is coming over here. So what will be the credit side if I want to display the transaction of this document number? So there's also T code for that. That is called FB03. It's for document display. Display document, you can say, or document display, it's fine. Document number you have to enter. If you remember, company code you have to enter, and fiscal year you have to enter. Three things. So when you press enter, you can see you are able to display this transaction. But suppose in this case, you don't remember the document number. So what we can do, we can just enter the company code and we can click on the document list. And then we have to write the company code in the fiscal year both. And then we can click on the execute. So if it is coming the warning message, press enter. So you can see what are the transactions we have posted, it's coming. Okay. So in this transaction, whichever you want to open, just double click on it. So you will get. So in this video, we have covered how we can post the GL posting, line item display, and the documents. Okay. And next topics we will cover in the next video. Thank you.